Give this to Kevin.
Give this to Kevin. Kevin.
Give this to Kevin. Give this to Kevin.
Give this to Kevin. Kevin's not here. Kevin's not here.
Kevin's not here.
Kevin's not here. Kevin's not here.
Can I get a yer? Hey, boo kitties. Hey, boo, hey. What's good, y'all? It's the girl, the guy's name, 5'4" head again. You know what I'm saying? And I'm back with another video. And of course, you know, I'm here to teach y'all how to edit and flex and slay all on your iPhone 8. All on your iPhone 8. And in today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating how I created this Give It to Kevin TikTok. And I'm also going to be sharing an extra tip that I teach in my university, Baddie on a Budget YouTube University, on how to zoom in and how to create that effect on your pocket camera. You can check out my last videos with Kitty on how I imported my video clips to Videoleap. So pretty much I just open Videoleap and I import all 3 video clips. And I'm going to show you exactly where to clip your videos now. The first clip, I'm just holding up the bag to my left and I'm clipping the beginning of the clip right before I drop, because I just want it to be a continuous swing, kind of like a pendulum. So I'm going to do the same exact thing at the end of the clip. As soon as I swing my purse upward, so as you can see, it starts here. Boom. That's where I'm going to want to clip the end. That's where I'm going to want to trim the end of my clip, because again, I want it to be a continuous swing, like a pendulum. I want it to be fluid. So for the second clip, we're going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to highlight it and I'm just going to drag this timeline back and forth to see exactly where I want to trim this clip at the beginning. So you are going to want to trim this clip at the beginning right before it drops, and then at the end of this same exact clip, you are going to want to trim this clip right when you swing it up so that it can look like you're passing the bag to yourself with fluidity. It's all about cutting at the perfect timing. That's the key to a smooth transition. It's not complicated. People overcomplicate it. And as you can see, boom, and then I cut right here as if I'm passing the bag to myself, and then I'm going to cut at the beginning right when I drop the bag. I'm swinging it over and I'm going to cut it right here. Another thing that you can do you see how this bag, you can see the entire bag is somewhat visible? You can tap it here and you can zoom in so that you can hide the bag, if that makes sense. I'll show you guys again at the end of this video because I know it's a little bit confusing, but as you can see here, you highlight the clip and you can move the clip over once it has this red box frame around your entire video clip. You can just kind of scooch it over so that part of the bag is out of the clip, because you don't want the entire bag to be visible, because you're supposed to be acting like you're passing the bag to yourself. So the third clip, we're just going to play it just to see. Boom. Okay. Cuts. Okay. And now for this part. This is how I zoom and pan in on my pocket camera. In my university, I break this down elaborately so that you can really grasp the visual demonstration of what I am showing you guys. So I'm going to try my best to explain this in the most simplified version possible. So bear with me. So at any point in time, you would like to create a zoom in, zoom out, or pan left, pan right, pan up, pan down, diagonally, spin around, whatever effect. What you're going to do is go to the desired location of your clip, and you are going to zoom in or zoom out, or you are going to move the clip left, right, up, down, kind of like what we did earlier when we wanted to make sure that the bag was partially visible. So each time I do this, you can notice that a diamond here appears. Now, at any point in time to begin this zooming in and zooming out, or pan left, right, up, down, what you'll want to do is you go to the desired location of your clip, and then you'll zoom in just a tad bit. Then you're going to move your entire timeline over to the next frame you would like to create this effect. And then you're going to zoom in, zoom out, move it left, move it right. I know this sounds really confusing, but it's pretty tedious, but it's very easy. When I first started to create this effect on Videoleap, the first thing that I started to do was I will go to the desired time frame that I would like to begin this zooming in effect, and then I would click the little diamond icon at the top, at the bottom right. You don't have to do that. Anytime that you would like to create this zoom in effect, you go to your desired spot of your time frame, you zoom in, and once you zoom in, that's going to be the cue for Videoleap to say, okay, this is probably where she wants to zoom in. So it's going to create a diamond for you automatically. You don't have to press diamond when you start. You can just zoom in at the beginning of wherever you would like for this effect to happen, and then you move your video clip a few frames over, and then you're like, okay, I want for the end to be back at this position. You'll zoom in. If you want it to be back at this position, you'll zoom out. If you want it to be to the left, you'll move your video clip a little to the left. It's pretty tedious.
Corvette, hop in a motherfucking jet like that. Him and that, him and that like that. They were like, Pop, why you all like that? Why you tall like that? Why you all like that?